Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to use the patch and cap command. Yeah, this stuff is really great, especially when you're trying to turn a open polysurface into a solid polysurface. Okay, so as you can see over here, I've got some lines made already, and for these, as you can see, they are flat and on one plane, whereas this one in the middle is it's on multiple planes, and it's like a double curved object at the moment, right? Okay, so if you take this and you extrude it, let's say like this, and say you don't have solid turned on, right? So now it's like an open polysurface, right? Or an open extrusion in this case. You can take it and you can type cap, hit enter, and it makes it a solid. Right? One closed polysurface added to selection. Okay, that's the easy one. You can only use the cap command if it is a flat surface. That's very important to remember. Now, for this one, let's say you want this to be a solid polysurface, right? You could take this and you could type patch, hit enter. Now, with a lot of curves like this is going to come in handy. The more points you add into here, the more accurate it is going to be. So let's go ahead and add 25. I might actually do 35 for this just to see how that goes. The rest should be fine. You can hit OK, and there it goes. You have it should be an open surface now. Yep. Okay. And so what you can do with this, you can offset surface like we learned in the past. Hit enter, and there you go. Now you have, it should be a closed polysurface. Perfect. So, say you have a situation where you have an open polysurface and you see the opening, but you don't know how to close it because it's got these weird curves or something in it. So what you can do is you can dupe edge, like we learned. Take this, that, and that, hit enter, and then type patch. And it probably doesn't, since it's smaller, you can probably reduce the size of it. Also, the higher up number you go on this, it will also kind of weigh down your computer as well. So just be weary of that. But as you can see, that fixed the problem, and it's pretty smooth. Again, the more points you put into it, the more likely it'll match whatever you had to it. And you can select this, you can select that, you can type join, hit enter, and now it's all connected. And you basically just do the same thing for the bottom part. So dupe edge, enter, select your outline of whatever it is that you want to fill, hit enter, hit join, and patch. Okay. Now select that and that, join. And now, if you select the whole thing, you have one closed polysurface added to selection. The patch command is a great tool.